Would you believe me if I said you can make mac and cheese with 4 ingredients and it's absolutely amazing? No roux, nothing like that. Starts with milk. Grandkids, your kids, my grandkids, the grilling dude loves it. I'll show you how to do it right now. That's right, we're cooking the mac and milk. Pretty simple, huh? Just pour that mac in there when that milk just is not quite ready to start boiling. Throw a little butter in there. Let's stir that butter in, and I have cut the heat on this. These things are ready to go. I'm going to put some Tillamook sharp cheddar in here. And I'm putting the whole thing in. Like that. Flatten it out on top. Put the lid on and let it melt away. I'm telling you, the stuff is super hot, as you saw there, but super creamy. My grandkids are going to love this, and so are yours. Great flavor. Talk to you on the next episode. Peace, guys.